Okay? And you will see, if you see in here, that is the feminine embodiment energy. That's what you got going there. And if they were to put that in the constellation, that is going to give that feminine, that's going to bring the planet back in balance, because it's not in balance with that it's not in balance with that 12 zodiac. It's not in balance. Now you think hoodoo in number 13 and all that, those numbers are important in hoodoo and in our spiritual workings. Why do you think that's so important in our spiritual workings, and why they are trying to stay away from it? But when we're embodying hoodoo, that's why I say hoodoo is a lot older too. It's a lot older. It's a primitive primordial energy. It's a familiar energy that's passed on, especially if you're a woman of color. I don't want to get off topic here. I just want to show you the relationship. Okay? So I think that's very important. While ancient myths can inform us the important symbolism, they do not give an indication of the zodiac sign personality traits, planetary ruler elements such as fire, earth, water. Without these, Ophiuchus remain a constellation and not a profile of a human being here on earth, because it is a divine feminine. Okay? They're keeping that from us. They're keeping that from us. Ophiuchus remains a constellation, not a profile for human and the earth. It is based on the concept of unus mundus,